you're going to see that this app is actually going to pay you to do absolutely nothing. And yes, this app is available for both iOS and Android, so it basically works like this. You install it, get ready to go to bed or whatever it is that you want to do, and just let the money flow. Now, even though this app is actually the coolest thing ever, if you stay with us until the very end of today's video, we're going to be showing you a bonus app that's just as incredible as our main app for today, and that's also going to pay you for doing absolutely nothing. In that way, you can earn double or even triple what we originally promised you. Remember that these apps on their own won't make you a millionaire, but with all the videos that we've already posted on our channel, we are sure that our subscribers are having a ball. You're going to earn real cash from our method for today and not points, because honestly, I think we're so over that. You will also be able to cash out with different payment methods, so if that's PayPal, bank transfer, or even Bitcoin, you can have it the way that you want it. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. Before we get straight ahead into the website, we haven't been talking about this much anymore, and we thought that since we've grown quite a lot since the last time that we've gone in depth with PayPal again, it would be best to finally bring it up again. So right now we're on obviously PayPal, and to those who don't have bank transfer or who have no other payment method prepared, the easiest way for you to have one and the quickest way would be to create a PayPal account. Now, PayPal is very convenient, and honestly, it won't take much to create. PayPal is available in about 200 countries, which I'm sure means that it will be available to you guys who still don't have a chosen payment method. So all you need to do is just hit sign up for free and do as it asks. And just like that, you will have a PayPal account and you'll literally have no problem at all. Our first app for today is called MooCash, and to get to their website, all you need to do is type in moocash.com, and that should take you straight to here. Turn swipes and taps into cash. Earn $5 per day. With this app, you get 24/7 support, and although they are a small team, they are committed to providing you great support. You can chat with them anytime in MooCash. There are many rewards. You redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. It's easy to earn coins. You get offers on your lock screen and you swipe to take the offers. It's as simple as that. And there are many ways to earn. So you can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and surveys, whichever way you prefer. Those are just a few of the great things about our first app. To know more and to do more and earn the most, go ahead on Google Play Store or the App Store and find the MooCash app and download it, and then your journey to earning money in the easiest way possible starts today. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. Now, let's get back into the video. Our next and last app is called Cash Magnet, and to get to their website, you can just type in cashmagnet.com, and that should take you straight to here. Get money from your Android phone. We can pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. We have the largest payments, because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You don't need to perform tasks, watch ads, or even play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. It is absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. It pays out through PayPal, Amazon, Google Play Store, Apple Music, PlayStation, and Xbox. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. So to be able to start with this, you can again just look it up on Google Play Store, and once you find it, download it, and boom! Start earning on complete autopilot. And if you use both apps that we showed you, you're going to make the most amount of money possible, and we're sure that you won't regret it. Now, a little recap. Our first website is called moocast.com, and on this website you can take offers, you can do surveys, you try apps, and you visit pages, and for that you could get paid. And this is actually our favorite app from the two that we just showed you. The next one is just a really great addition that we wanted to include because we know that it will still contribute greatly to your earnings. So the next one is Cash Magnet app, and this is also great because on this app you basically don't have to do anything. In like 3 months or 4 months time, you're going to be able to earn a certain amount that's going to be able to let you buy your own phone in a certain time or in a certain period of time. And it's best that you're able to save up for another phone, because then that's more activity dragged into your phone, cause traffic into your phone, which means that you could earn a lot more when you have 2 phones. So 2 phones times 2 earnings, which is really what we want, and it's really all that matters to us. So we really want you guys to check out these 2 websites. Also, we're so close to 2,000 subscribers, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we just cannot wait to get there anymore. We just want to thank you guys so much for all of the support and all of the love that you're giving. Everyone's been loving the content. If you guys have any video requests or any content that you want to see in particular, make sure that you leave a comment down below. Let me know how you felt about today's video, if there's something that you guys want to switch up, because I read the comments down below all the time. I always want to know what you guys are thinking, how you guys are feeling. So make sure that you leave that down below, because we are going to go through it and we are going to consider everything to make our future videos even better than the rest of the ones that we've posted. So that is it. Enough of the blabber. Go ahead, check these 2 apps out. And that is basically everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.